Constipation Natural Remedies. 12 ways how to stop constipation fast at home. Constipation is a common disorder. It can occur due to lack of fiber in your body, dehydration, or even by attack of foreign bodies. The question that arises when you're suffering from it: how to stop constipation? Or what are the DIY constipation natural remedies you can try at home to ease the pain? Let's check out 12 constipation home remedies below. Number 1. Sesame seed for constipation treatment. Sesame seeds are great constipation home remedies. The fatty content of sesame seeds tends to moisturize the bowels and helps to minimize constipation if stiff stools become problematic. Place the seed in a coffee grinder or blend with the meal to season with one of the strongest natural constipation remedies for texture. Number 2. Molasses as constipation natural remedies. A blackstrap-molasses tablespoon before bed and in the morning should provide a relief for constipation. Molasses of Blackstrap are distilled and treated 3 times and have important vitamins and minerals. Magnesium is actually one of the best constipating remedies for constipation and tends to decrease constipation. Number 3. Stop constipation pain with a high-fiber diet. Fiber serves like a pipe cleaner, removing contaminants and waste debris from the digestive system and soaking up gas. This brings a ton to the toilet, allowing the GI muscles plenty to catch, so they can hold the food going along. The Mayo Clinic recommends that 20 to 35 grams of fiber a day will be stored on a daily basis. Foods especially rich in fiber include bran cereals, beans, lentils, oatmeal, peanuts, rice, several vegetables, and fresh and dried fruit. Both these stuff may be home treatments for constipation. When you are constipated with extra food, make sure to consume more water than normal to maintain the stool moist and quick to move. Number 4. Mint or ginger tea are unexpected treatments for constipation at home. Mint and ginger are also established home remedies for constipation and other stomach issues. This is the solution to your "how to stop constipation pain fast" question. Peppermint contains menthol that relaxes the muscles of the digestive tract with an antiposmodium effect. Ginger is a soft herb that contributes more heat to the body. Herbalists are advised that this will improve sluggish digestion. Heart MD Institute recommends both the capsule and tea ginger. Hot water also boosts digestion in tea and alleviates constipation. Dandelion tea is also a mild detoxifier and laxative. Number 5. Healthy fats are a surprising home cure for constipation. According to doctors at Harvard Medical School, olive oil, almonds, and avocado are all good fats that can lubricate and relieve constipation. Nice options include a salad of fiber-rich leafy greens and basic dressing with olive oil, a little nuts, or a tablespoon of almond butter on a fruit or toast. When you look at your weight, healthy fats are important to simple body functions. They are quite good to relieve you of GIT disorders and act as a constipation treatment at home. Number 6. Lemon water is a surprising home cure for constipation. Lemon juice citric acts as a stimulant to your digestive system and can help relieve constipation by flushing toxins out of your body. Squeeze dress up the pink lemon juice every morning in a glass of water, or add the lemon to the tea. In fact, it may help to improve your digestive system and also help you to drink more water every day. The American Cancer Society says that it is also helpful to sharing warm or hot fluids in the treatment of constipation. Number 7. Coffee is a surprising home cure for constipation. Coffee will improve the colon and make the trip easier towards the toilet. Other hot drinks help to treat constipation. Herbal tea or a cup of hot coffee with a little lemon juice that is without sugar or sweet will improve your colon. However, coffee is also diuretic, and ensure you continue to drink water, or that your constipation lessens, according to experts from the Harvard Medical School. Number 8. Eating raisins. High in fiber, raisins also have tartic acid as a natural constipation remedy with laxative effect, according to Stanford Children's Health. Cherries and apricots are also rich in fiber that can help you get stubborn. Feed these fruits with the aid of intestinal soothing probiotics with a cup of yogurt. Number 9. Amazing home cure of constipation is eating prunes. Such berries, which are high with antioxidants, are a homemade cure for your digestion. 3 prunes contain 3 grams of cotton, so they do not have a phenolic substance that allows the intestine to contract. Another great choice for dried fruit are the figs, which may not blow as much as plums. The Johns Hopkins Women's Center for Pelvic Wellbeing suggests a basic formula for increasing the regularity of the intestines by utilizing plum juice. Number 10. Castor oil is an amazing home cure for constipation. This home constipation cure has been provided for future generations. The Cleveland Clinic says that 1 or 2 teaspoons on an empty stomach are used primarily in castor oil, and the results are supposed to be approximately 8 hours long. Why does that happen? What is the reason? The oil proportion is separated into a material that activates the intestines large and tiny. Number 11. Exercise for constipation. Good news! For the patients with constipation, one of the most successful home constipation treatments needs no ingredients. Just a 15-minute stroll a day will make the bowel stronger by moving food. Start exercising rather than lying down if you are tired after a big meal. Number 12. Drink more water than usual. I know you've heard this a lot, but in the end, I'd like to tell you, if you're suffering from constipation, water is the solution. Drink lots of it and understand that most of the constipation cases are because you do not hydrate your body enough. So drink up and make sure your body is hydrated to help you pass stool easily. There you have it. These are the 12 best ways that can help you stop constipation fast at home. Do you have any more ideas? If yes, then please let us know in the comment section. We would love to hear from you. Thanks for watching the video. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel, like and share the video.